Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Roxy. And for those of you who have been rocking with me from the beginning, hey, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be relaxing my hair. I'm going to color it using semi-permanent dye, and I'm just going to style it. I might even cut it down a little bit. So basically, in my previous video, I cut my hair, right, using clippers and scissors. And if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link like up here on either side, or I'll leave a link in the description bar below. But I relaxed my hair maybe less than 2 weeks ago. I'll put the exact date that I relaxed my hair previous. But I realized that it's not as relaxed as I want it to be. Like when I'm wrapping it, or when I'm putting like water, like when I wash it, it's still a little bit wavy, so still a little bit curly. So I want to give it like, I'm gonna try to give it like a bone straight relaxer. And the color is a little bit like dead, like it needs some more liveliness. So I'm gonna be using some Adore. So I'm gonna start off by relaxing my hair. If you guys want to see how I, get things done, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna relax my hair using ORS. I'm gonna base it. I feel like I use the same products all the time, so if you always watch my videos, you kind of just know what I'm gonna use unless I like introduce something else. So here's my relaxer I'm gonna use. This is the scalp protector that I'm gonna use. So I'm putting the scalp protector, especially at the bottom and the back of my neck, because the relaxer tends to drop there all the time. I'm putting some on my ear as well. And this is just so that I don't get like burned. And the hair on my hairline is a lot thinner, so I don't want it to like dry up too much or over process too much. I don't know if that really helps that part, but I feel like it does. But I know it does protect my scalp. People who have like longer hair, when they relax their hair, I know they will like divide their hair into 4 parts, and they actually put the scalp protector on their scalp. But I just don't find it necessary for me, so I just put it on the perimeter of my head. I'm going to use my dye brush. Not even just a dye brush. I always tell you guys this, like this is like one of the tools that you need in your, your short hair kit, because you can use it to dye your hair, relax your hair, to apply GPS, when you want to do a quick weave. So it's pretty multifunctional. And really right now I'm combing my hair. I'm doing my hair because I want to go outside. I want to take pictures. I just want to look fresh and cute. So I just want to like a little bit of an uplift. And because my hair is a lot shorter, especially at the back, I'm going to need to relax it more often, because you can see the new growth a lot faster. And a lot of people's hair are different, so your hair might not be able to handle such a like a relaxer so quickly. Or if you have like a finer curl, maybe you can not even a finer curl, if you have like finer hair, or maybe if you have like, if your new growth is not as kinky or coily, you're able to get away with like not relaxing your hair so often, because maybe the mousse or the foaming lotion that you use can lay down your hair straight regardless of whether it has a fresh relaxer or not. But my hair is not really like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and relax it. I know it's gonna dry my hair out a lot, especially relaxing it so often. So I'm gonna do like a little deep treatment with some hair mayonnaise. I need to get a hot oil treatment. I haven't done that in a long time. I need to infuse my hair with something and steam it. Even my mom, she noticed. She's like, you need to relax your hair again. I was like, no, I'm fine. And then I was like, okay, maybe she was right. I do. I find that when my hair is relaxed, like freshly relaxed, it takes the color, the rinse, a lot better. I think it's because like the pores are like opened up, so the color just kind of sits on your hair really well. But I really like that. Just to make sure that the relaxer is getting throughout my hair, like from root to tip, I'm just going to use a fine tooth comb and comb everything through. I'm not gonna lie, it's tingling a bit already, and I think it's because my hair is like pretty clean, so my scalp is just squeaky clean. The relaxer's just sitting on it. It's not dirty enough. The only thing that's probably in my hair is like some gel and foaming lotion. And honestly, I put gel in my hair like when I want to wrap it and I want it to dry like really quick, or like even if it's wet it'll still lie down. The gel helps, especially when it's feeling curly to me, so I just put the gel in it. I think I'm gonna leave this on my hair for another 5 minutes, or until it starts burning. Alright, so I'm gonna go rinse up my relaxer and then I'm gonna wash it a few times using this Neutralizing Shampoo here. So this one is for Emotions. And I'm gonna come back and we're gonna add some rinse to this hair. I really should be wearing gloves right now, but I'm not. I have a little bit of the Jet Black Adore left. So I'm gonna distribute that throughout my hair. I usually mix it with conditioner, but I don't have it here right now, so I'm just gonna apply it through my hair. And yeah, just hope it doesn't run too much. I'm just gonna get a plastic cap or a plastic bag and put over my head. I'm gonna leave it on for about 25 minutes. I might use heat or go under the hooded dryer. It depends on what else I have to do throughout the house. I'm gonna come back with it rinsed out and I'm going to mold it and style it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion to wrap my hair. This is just one of the 3 mousses that I like. I like to use this one when I'm trying to like, I usually like to use it when I'm trying to like finger wave my hair, because it's the consistency that makes it so easy to do that. I don't know, I can't explain it, but I like that. I don't particularly care for the smell or anything, but it's just the consistency that I like. So I'm going to be using this today. Okay, I really don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. I always end up just molding it straight down like this. But I'm just gonna mold everything coming down and forward today, nothing fancy. And these are the wrap strips I'm gonna use. These are the Rapid Junior strips. And that's it. So now I'm just gonna go under the hooded dryer. This will probably dry in about 20 minutes or less, because my hair is just relaxed and it's cut pretty low, so it tends to dry quicker. So I'm gonna give it about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna come back and I don't know if I'm gonna put a flat iron through it. I might style it, or I might just comb it out and moisturize it and let it just take the shape of the wrap. So I'll see you guys when I come back. I'm contemplating whether I want to actually like style it or just leave it like this. I've been kind of lazy. I've been leaving my hair just wrapped. So I think I'm gonna try something different. So because my hair is so short, I have no choice but to use the pencil flat iron. You guys see me use this one before. It gets really hot. I can't remember. I think it goes up to like something crazy like 450. It doesn't have temperature control, so you can't really gauge it. So you have to be really careful with this because it can literally burn your hair and burn your scalp. Alright, so I'm just gonna take the comb and just kind of loosen up the mold a bit. I could use a heat protector like a serum or a heat protectant spray. So I'm gonna use the one and only argan oil treatment. Like, I'm so tempted just to rock my hair like this, put on some makeup and go. But I've been doing that for such a long time. So I'm just gonna try and see if I can put some curls in it. So I've pretty much curled the majority of my hair and as much as I possibly can. So I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb now and I'm just going to just smooth everything out. And the wide tooth comb is like one of my favorite tools as well when it comes to like styling my hair, because it takes like a super curled, so like a super tight and like perfect curl to a relaxed and like easygoing curl. The next thing I really need to do is I'm gonna put on some makeup, of course. Put on some eyelashes, get dressed, and that'll be like my finished look. So I'm gonna show you guys like a clip of like my overall finished look, but that's it for this video. I relaxed my hair, I gave myself a nice little color to kind of, you know, bolden the look a little bit, give me like a little lift. And I just used my pencil flat iron and I curled my hair. Like I just curled everywhere as much as I possibly could. And then I just took my wide tooth comb and I smoothed it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions and if you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.